Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: AM/FM stereo radio, easy lift and lower tailgate, air conditioning, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, twin-turbo V6 engine, first and second row sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.